So the first part of this process is awareness. So awareness truly is gaining a different perspective than what you've had before. So in its like strictest sense of the word, it could be like you're being aware of your environment, noticing things around you that you didn't see before or whatever. But when we're talking about this, we're talking about our internal environment instead of our external environment. Now, everything that we do internally does relate to what is happening externally. Like, for example, when I do the inner work to become aware of things and change things inside, the way that I show up on the outside looks totally different. And so awareness is first becoming aware and noticing what happened to you in the past, how you were raised, who you were told to be, or who you told you were, and all the things kind of that came up in the church setting or in the cult setting that conditioned you to believe certain things about yourself, and starting to realize that that stuff doesn't track with your truth anymore. You feel a dissonance with that stuff because it doesn't feel true to you anymore. And you're starting to unpack some of that stuff.